Yes, students, next is identifier. So first we understand what is the identifier. Actually, identifier is the fundamental building block of a program. What? Fundamental building block of a program, and are used as the general terminology for the names given to different parts of the program. Into the program, we have to assign some user defined name, and that user defined name will be follow some identifier rules. Into the program, we already created some variable name. These variable name are comes under the identifier, like A, B, C, A plus B we have done. So these all are comes under the variable, and these variable will be follow the identifier rules. So I think you all understood what is the identifier. So a Python identifier is a name used to identify a variable, function, class, modules, or other objects. So whenever we define any names into the program, so we will follow the identifier rules. So when we have to require the identifier rule, when we will define the variable, when we will define any function, when we will define any class, when we define any modules. So which type of rules comes under the identifier? So first is an identifier start with a letter A to Z, means when you want to define any variable name, that is from A to Z, means A, B, C, capital A or small a. You always remember, whenever you define capital A or small a, both are treated differently because Python is case sensitive language, means the capital A is different meaning into the Python interpreter, and small a have a different meaning into the Python interpreter. So that's why the a variable can hold, capital A variable can hold different value, and small a can also hold different value. So that's why we, an identifier you can start with capital A to Z or small a to Z, or underscore. You can also use the underscore also, followed by 0, more letter, underscores and digits also. So whenever you will define any variables, you can start from the A. After this you can use underscore or any digital digits. You can also use 0 to 9, but after letter. You can never start your identifier name with digit. It can be the use after letter but not before the letter. Next, Python does not allow special character. So you cannot use the special character like percentage, ampersand, bracket, plus sign, asterisk. So these special character you cannot use as a identifier. Next, identifier must not be a keyword of Python. So if you want to use any identifier or any variable name, that should not be as a keyword. So identifier must not be a keyword. So keyword you can never use as a identifier. So we have reserve word. These reserve words comes under the keyword. So there we also mentioned that which cannot be used as a identifier. So these keyword you can never use as a identifier. So these all are the reserve words. Other words you can use. Next, Python is a case sensitive programming language. So I already clear you if you will define the roll number. So this is a variable and roll number. This is a different variable. So both are different identifier. So thus roll number and roll number, there are two different identifier in Python. You can assign different roll number into this variable and you can assign a different roll number. So both are treated differently in Python. So there are some valid example of identifier. These all are the valid identifier. Just like my book, this word you can use as an identifier. File 1234, that is also valid. Small z2td, this is also date underscore 2, this is valid underscore num. So these all are the valid combinations of character and you can use as a variable, class name or modules function name, you will use it. Next is some invalid identifier. These are the invalid. This is 2R number. Why it is invalid? Because that identifier is start with the digit. So it is not valid. It is not under the rule of identifier. Break. Break. This is also invalid identifier. Why? Because break is a keyword. So that word you cannot use as a identifier. Next, my dot book. Why it is invalid? It is invalid because that special symbol you cannot use into the identifier. There date hyphen cs. So date dash. So this is also a special symbol. So you can never use special symbol as a identifier. So I think now you can able to declare some identifier and after this meaning you send me some identifier name into the comments box. So you are able to define as a identifier invalid identifier example you will also put into the comments box. So you note down the definitions of identifier, its rule, these are the rules to define the identifier, and valid identifier, and these are the invalid identifier.